Good morning, friends, from my beard and my motorcycles. It is a rainy freaking Monday morning. I was gonna be on the bike today. Doesn't look like it's gonna happen. So today's adventure is teaching my new friend Steve how to motovlog, or at least get him started. We met one day last week. He's brand new to all of it. So learning how to use the computer. He's got the cameras. He's doing pretty good on the cameras. He's recorded a lot. I'm gonna turn some lights on. He's recorded a bunch. This man is phenomenal. Now he has ridden all over the world, and he's pretty upset that he is just now working on vlogging and documenting this stuff, because he's ridden, he said he landed in like South Korea and rode all the way to the UK, or not the UK, but like Germany or Western Europe, you know what I mean, all the way across Russia, China, Kazakhstan, the Silk Road. He rode the Silk Road and all the way out to Europe. So now he has an Africa twin that he just keeps in Europe for when he goes back. He just has a bike out there for riding across Europe. It's amazing. This man is probably the coolest guy I know. So we met one day last week. I was teaching him the importance of organizing files and how that helps edit. Keeping your video files small so you can edit quicker, especially on the go if you're on the road. So he's about to ride down to South America and he wants to document this, rightfully so. It's freaking awesome. This is very important to him, and so he's on his way, or will be shortly. He'll be here in a little bit. And today we're gonna tackle Final Cut Pro, or at least a little bit to get the ball rolling, you know? We were gonna ride down to Rabbit Hash together and sit there and eat and play on the computers, but today's not the day. So, I love you guys, and we love Steve. Let's meet Steve. Just having some popsicles while we wait on Steve.
Steve.
And while he's having popsicles, I'm having coffee. Cheers. Maybe Steve wants a popsicle. Steve's here. Steve's here. Yep, just like that. Now we're recording. Friends, this is my new best friend Steve, and we're practicing some vlogging.
You're recording, I'm not.
I'm recording.
I push here,
So
right?
just push the top one, you don't have to turn it on or anything.
There I am, I'm recording with my new best friend. And I can do like this and go like that
And
too.
you can go just like that.
So has offered to help me prepare so that I can learn how to put this on YouTube. He's been very nice to do that because I'm intending to go to South America starting in September 18th. So I want to learn how to do this to share with all my friends. And I'm not doing real well so far, but we're going to make this happen. Is that right?
Absolutely.
Want to say something to my new friends?
Yeah, he's paying me in designer shoes. So like I said, he's brand new to the MacBook. And he's got the cameras down pretty good. I've watched some of his footage and it's really great. His audio is awesome. So now it's just a matter of learning how to use Final Cut Pro. So we're learning. You can subscribe to Steve when we get his channel up and going at, what did we make your name?
We made it Mad Moto Across the Water.
Mad Moto Across the Water, and I'll put that down here.
And of course, if you see me, you can subscribe to which is
Father Bobber.
Father Bobber. So we're going to launch each other into stratosphere.
Absolutely.
Here.
We're making strides. We're going to be famous. We're going to quit our jobs.
All right, so that's it for now, right?
Yep, that's it.
Right.
And then we'll make vlogs of this, and this is just practice, but we're going to put it on YouTube. So the weather cleared up for us, so me and Steve have decided to take this thing on the road. We want to do some practice vlogging. But like I said, he's got the filming and stuff down pretty good. I'm going to take Dave with me, bigger child bobber, and look, let me move the beard out of the way. New additions to the vest is Parker the Coyote and Whiskey Chaser. Lovely people. I got to hang out with them at camp out at the quarry.
3, 2, 1, cheers.
Cheers! I usually wear it. That's why I don't do it.
So cold.
It's too cold!
It's so cold.
It's too cold! You left some!
It hurts so good. It does. I suck and didn't record any of that, so I want you to go watch Whiskey Chaser's video of that. I'll put it I'll put that up here. It's a freaking cool video. I'm in it a lot. That's why it's cool. Not really. So we're gonna head up to Ohio, meet up with Steve. We're gonna go get one of his bikes and hit the road, do some vlogging. So sick, dude. God, I'm an idiot. All right, we'll see you up there. All right, we made it to Steve's house. We got his camera set up. He's feeling confident. We're feeling good. And we're moto vlogging.
Here we go.
We're doing it.
Lebanon, Ohio.
Yep, we're in Lebanon, Ohio. He's gonna lead the way, take us around. I'm gonna record a little bit. Dave's here with us. There's Dave. Look at this beautiful bike. That thing is huge. This man's been all over the world, I told you. All right, let's get on these bikes. Enough talking. He likes to go off the curb. Wild man. But yeah, like I said, the weather cleared up and we figured we'd just scoot around for a little bit. So he came on home and got his bike. Look at that train. That's pretty neat. Huh. It's a nice little town. I don't know that I've explored Lebanon much. I've been here, but haven't explored a whole lot. So he's working on his 2-camera setup. When we were at the house, I was showing him how to put it in the timeline and go back and forth between camera angles and syncing and all that. Told him about the clap, you know, sync it up, clap, snap, yell, whatever you got to do, and you can look for those spikes in your audio, or just do it by ear. Either way works. Now, it's like I told him, if you're watching this and you're trying to get into motovlogging or vlogging of any kind or any sort of video editing, like with everything else, organization is key. You need to have all your video files organized, your audio files, graphics, everything needs to be separate, labeled, so you know what it is. It could be something easy, just something that you'll be able to click on or look at and you'll know exactly what it is, exactly where you want it in your video. As soon as it comes off your SD card onto your external hard drive, that's another thing. Always store externally, never on your computer. As soon as it comes off your SD card onto your hard drive, organize, name, put in separate folders, save everything. Makes life so much easier. So that's my most important tip for everybody, for Steve or you, anybody. So I'm making this video today it's basically just to show Steve how we put a video together. It's nothing fancy, but it is a video and it is me. I'm just doing the 1 camera today. We did the 2 for him. And I just wanted to get out and ride. It's an excuse to get out and ride and talk to you lovely people, because I love you guys always, you know that. And that bike is massive, man. That thing's huge. Like I said, he's got an Africa Twin that he keeps in Europe. How cool is that? I would venture to say if he started doing this, you know, when GoPros were first a thing, when motovlogging first started, he would be at the top. This man has a real smooth way of talking. He goes on the coolest trips, on the coolest bikes. He's smart as a whip. So his name's Steve Madden. Yes, the shoe designer. That's him. He's paying me in designer shoes. Not really. That's a joke. I'm pretty sure that guy's dead or in jail, right? For something. I don't know. This guy's way cooler. I guarantee he's probably got some cool shoes anyway. So he seems like the kind of guy that's got some kicks. I respect this man and his shoes. I haven't really paid attention to his shoes, but I could bet he's got some awesome ones. What's another tip? Another good tip for an aspiring motovlogger is just have fun. Make vlogging second, your ride first. Always make your ride first. Don't let it get in the way of anything. And make it to where that if you're in a group, it's not getting in the way of the group ride. Nobody's bitching at you, nobody's complaining, nobody's waiting on you. I mean, I really don't care if people have to wait. I tell them beforehand if I'm vlogging, I'm like, hey, I'm going to be vlogging, you're going to be waiting on me. I warned you. But make it, you know, a quick process to get your stuff ready. My camera snaps right on. I've got a magnetic mount, just pop it right on, pull my microphone cable from inside my helmet, plug it in, I'm good to go. If I need a battery change or something, it takes a minute. Other than that, you want to expedite your process as much as possible. Third, make sure it's interesting. I click off so many videos because it's just riding around. I do it sometimes. It's just me riding, whatever. So keep it interesting. I like to do the quick cuts when I'm not talking. I like to just get that out of there. There's so many ums and blank spaces and just empty thoughts. Just so much wasted time in some videos. If you're in Kansas, make Kansas interesting somehow. I think I did an okay job of it. And try to be funny, just let go, man. Just be yourself, be silly, be a goofball. Don't be afraid to, you know, put yourself out there. Talk about things. Show emotion. Get emotional when you're on a beautiful ride through Bighorn, Sheep Canyon, whatever it was called. It's the most incredible ride of my life. I know my audio was junk, but I was tearing up that whole ride. It was amazing. It was beautiful. It was gorgeous. Look at this man lean. Look at this man go into these turns. This is it. Now we're doing it. See, if you're gonna show a ride, show an interesting ride as such. We're gonna lay it that way, and then we're gonna lay it this way. That thing lays right over. That's incredible. I want one. I mean, this does too. But he's got so much more room to lean. So much room to lean. Hey Flench, you just posted a new video. I hope my mic is not stuck in between everything again. Nope. My mic is doing just fine. You know what? We're not using brakes. We're just gonna whoop, whoop, whoop. The Little Miami River. This is a really pretty river. Let's stop for a quick shot, huh? Let's stand up, get some shots here. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. This is the bike trail that goes, is it Lebanon to Yellow Springs? I don't remember where it starts, but it ends in Yellow Springs, which is a beautiful place. I love Yellow Springs. But it's a bike trail. It runs a lot of miles. I want to say it's from Lebanon to Yellow Springs. I could be wrong. I'm probably wrong. I'm not an Ohioan, and we're in Ohio territory. But I do venture across the water every now and again. So, I could be right, I could be wrong. Ooh, that looks fun. Steve, why aren't we going there? Steve! I want to go there. I just want to get him to a point where he can take off on his own and put together a basic vlog, and he can learn from there. Because he's going to be gone for 5 months traveling to the very southern tip of South America. So once he leaves, he's on his own. I don't know if he's going to have a phone that'll work. I don't know. So I want to get him somewhere. It's very important to him that he can do this. He's having issues with his camera here. Alright, so this is good enough for now. Just sit down and don't get frustrated. Learn at your own pace. We're learning at a faster pace with Steve because he's kind of on a time crunch. He's leaving soon. But just enjoy it. Make whatever the hell you want. Who cares what people are watching? If it's something you want to make, freaking make it. That's what I do. Nobody watches it. But, you know, it works. It works for me. So I'll check back in with you guys shortly. Alright? Cool? Cool. I'm going to check back in now because this road is pretty fun. We are headed up. Alright, back into cornfields and soybeans. Those are soybeans. This is corn. Know the difference. And that's some barns and whatnot. The hipsters would love these. They're going to build barn dominiums out of them. Alright, now I'm going to check back in when we're done riding. Because it's, you know, we're in Ohio. This is what Ohio looks like. You get the picture.
The next day.
I had to pick the loudest place to do this, apparently. There's the bike. Just wanted to go for a quick joy walk on my way home. You know, I've been driving by this pull off for like 15 years, and I've never actually walked down here. So figured we'd end the video here. Let's walk down, huh? So let's wish Steve all the luck in the world on his trip to the very southern tip of South America. Wish him the best on his vlogging adventures. And Steve, we really look forward to seeing you and what you're gonna do. I think you're gonna be amazing. You're gonna be awesome, man. Seriously, he's like the most interesting guy in the freaking world. I guess people have been having fires down here and didn't clean up their mess. It's just right off the road I take every day to work. I know a lot of people come fishing down here, but anyway, I love you all. Steve, good luck. We're gonna get together one more time before you head out. After that, I really hope we link up when you get back. It's been a pleasure working with you. these last couple weeks. And don't forget about me when you're famous. There she is, the old Vic. All right, I love you all. Subscribe and like, and go find Steve. I'll put his stuff down down here. So go find Steve. Madden across the water. Love y'all. Good night.